Alright, today we got Maxon Liftgate. It just go down.
No.
It's not going up at all. You can see I can hear a click right here by the Maxon Liftgate engine or motor in this area right here in this box. Okay, so if you have this problem that your liftgate it won't go up, today I'm gonna show you how to fix it pretty easy. Well, now, yeah, it's easy and very quick. He's my wife and my boy helping me today. You see, going up, it's not working. Only when you go down. We're gonna uncover the motor, where the motor and everything is. And look, here. You know what I mean? It just sounds a click. The click comes, and also I just checked the fluid. The fluid, hydraulic fluid is good. Okay, but the click is still there. I already checked the batteries. It's good. They're good. I checked the extra switch, which is good. But look what it does when I hit the solenoid. I'm gonna hit it a couple times. This.
No, dale. Ok, dale. Dale.
See?
Dale.
If you hit it a couple times, this is a temporary fix. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Alright, guys. You see, going down is not a problem at all, okay?
Duele.
But if you had to hit the solenoid so the lever can go up. Alright, if you have this problem with your liftgate, this is the way you're gonna fix it today. I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna just go ahead and change the solenoid. I'm gonna go and buy the solenoid, one local store parts for trailers and liftgates in Irving, Texas. See, nothing. Let me show you again. See, there you go. Perfecto. So you guys sold me a case of cervezas, alright? So I'm gonna go ahead and buy the solenoid, but before that I'm gonna disconnect the terminals of the battery, okay? And then we go from there. Perfecto. Right?
Se parece como de una marcha, ¿verdad?
Sí, es el monito de la marcha.
Y ese botoncito que es para aceite. Y si estaba cortado, así como estaba muy... No te la quites, a ver si déjala.
Este voy a huevo.
Sí, te dije hace rato.
El rojo es el que va. Ok. Pues este es el problema.
¿Ese?